now, I continue to the overwhelming success of the Medicap ceremony. To all candidates, frontline for Medicap ceremony 2023, congratulations, you all continue to inspire and you will outlook up a bright future and have a heart of gold. And God bless us all. Thank you for making the school year 2022-2023 a very successful year.
So that is correct. Kumakaw so sa atong tanan, the parents, the parents, congratulations and mabuhay mo tayong lahat. Okay, sa mga mga kapitko,